Madam Chair, on a related point, it's a related
Senator
point.
Angara. Go ahead.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Siguro napansin ko na alam naman natin kung sino ang dapat bantayan sa kulungan. Ngunit palagay ko, na-discuss namin sa nakarang kongreso to eh. Maybe we should prioritize the amendment of the anti-wiretapping law, yung Republic Act 4200, sapagkat hindi sakop doon yung pagbebenta o pagtutulak ng droga. Ang sakop doon treason, kidnapping, espionage, pero wala doon yung droga. So nag-file tayo ng bill. Sana ma-prioritize ho yan. Alam ko si Senator Honasan, meron din pong, at saka si Senator Poe, if I'm not mistaken, may similar bill. Kasi alam na natin na nagtutulak yung mga yan eh. Papakinggan na lang natin yung kanilang telepono. Yan ang ginawa ng Amerika sa Jamaica nung pinatalsik po nila yung presidente, si Dudus, yung presidente po ng Jamaica. Pinakinggan nila yung kanyang conversations for 7 years. At nakita nila, kausap niya yung Prime Minister, kausap niya yung mga mambabatas, kausap niya yung mga huwes. So talagang kitang-kita po yung buong larawan ng korupsyon na dulot ng droga, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair, nahir na namin yan sa nagkaroon ng public hearing dyan. Pag ni-report out ko sa floor, huwag na kayo mag-interpolate.
Yes, definitely, Senator Lacson, congratulations for having that public hearing.
Thank you.
I think if anything comes out of this hearing, isa sa yan sa pinakamabisang reforma na pwede nating i-prioritize dito sa hearing na ito, Madam Chair.
Thank you. At this point, we're supposed to end by 1:30. There are a few more senators. And the chair is supposed to wrap up. The chair is supposed to ask the, but I will allow the other senators. who
Madam
have
Chair, if
not
we could
asked-
just make a few points, because we were next in line, I understand, before the chair made some points. I understand I was already next in line to ask some questions. So to give way to our other colleagues, if I can just make 2 or 3 points, Madam Chair.